run and go? Where you run go?
Me a run me.
Run if you want. What your problem?
Me a run me.
Where you can run go? You know what it is to be on your own? Huh? You feel it easy for the fire own little girl? Let me listen me, man.
Your man a trouble me.
Man a trouble you?
Yes, man trouble me.
Look for the clothes on my van. Then the man must look for you if I so big case. I know so that the man not look for you. So that
when I gone to work, he walk up and run naked. And I trouble me and I touch me every minute.
What a little girl like, you know what? I'm going to pop for you and run. I'm going to pop. Look at you.
You feel like I'm a mother, you come and lick me leg off from me. You know my mother leg off from me.
Oh, me know your mother.
You know my father leg off from me.
You know what? Me come here go back and give your papa.
Every day I get up and I beat me.
Because I see that you are ungratefulness to go girl. Stop it. You want me? Hey, if I know one thing, me not even see which part for you if you take lick. You go behind me back, you red out your head. You bore up yourself. Look on the tight so you're in and show up your body. What you feel say? You want to turn woman before time. You feel say woman hood is nice. You feel say if you go out there for your own is nice.
Let go me go about me business. Let go me now.
Come. Me take care. Come on. Right there. Shut up. Look at this now. When? Shut up. All right.
I want to do ya.
You need to take a little girl. I'm sick and tired of her now. I'm sick and fed up of her now. I guess me can run me while I go, you know. Alright.
I run me for what?
One bag of nonsense. I go beat her, me say man. God save her a while ago, me say man.
Yeah, you know what? Don't move. Me I come down. Don't move. Hold on. Let me understand what really are going on, sir. Listen. So hold on, where you carry him come down here for? Where you carry him come down here for?
This little liar, ungrateful girl. They tell her my man how much my man a molest her. My man will not even have yeah if you see the pitney. My man a lovely pitney. This little girl, look what she have on. Look on her dressing. He bleach out in head. He bore up in body.
Sister.
Behind me back. Me can't do this no more, Wayne. You have to go take her.
Sister.
If I never say I'm a brother, I love you, but you have to go take her back. You can't do this.
Listen. Me just get a little apartment. Furniture not even in there. When me go take put him. That's why I send him come down here yard because I don't want to have no picnic to deal with, you know. And matter of fact, me not even too like him. Me not even like him either. A mistake she come here for. I me not have no time to deal with no picnic. Me have to work. I want a little day off. Make it know when me have to rest my body. To walk. To go and walk. To go focus on picnic.
Well, you have to take her because I don't want to kill her. I don't see which part of her to take click. So, you have to go take her. Put her somewhere, find somewhere, look at her catch him.
Look girl. Look for me when me talk to you, man.
Go there ask me say if me are your mother. Me are your mother. From me take care of you, little girl. And that you have to tell me say if me are your mother. Okay.
Alright. Give me her back.
Yeah, man.
Yo, hold her back.
Go on.
Come, come. I don't know how this is going to work out in our floor or something. You have to sleep and come.
You have it to do. That's all we do now.
Alright, sister. Take care. Later.
Okay.
Come in. look up. Don't forget that door they fix, you know. Look a girl. Where don't they tell lie for my sister man for? Eh? Where don't they tell lie for the man for?
True.
True say what?
The man trouble me.
Look a girl, listen. Me nah gonna make you bring no disgrace for my family, you know. Me nah gonna make you bring no disgrace for my family. So nobody come and tell me say nobody a trouble you. Nobody with that. Me gonna make you know what I go on here, so. Cause since you can't stay down there, so me make you know what I go on at my place. Cause my place run different, you know. You understand? See what I go on now. You see this house, sir? Me just come and come live. So, me don't want to disgrace, me don't want to low talk in there, so I want a gated place me live in. You understand? So when you come here, so you have to be on your best behavior. You hear me?
Yes.
Alright, and the other thing too, the whole house, you ensure you clean the house. You don't look for me. Don't look for me. You ensure you clean the house. And my Benji rent the room next door too. So you gotta make sure you clean out over there too. Listen, man. Listen.
That's too much.
Nobody tell me nothing. You make sure you clean out over there too. Come show you where I stay. Come. Okay, now come here with your foolishness. You know. Come. You have to stay in that room here, so. You stay in that room here, so. Why don't you put your things and stay in there?
Father God, you see when me I got you there, like the Father God, why you not just take me and done? Why you not just take me and done? You see me father, my auntie, they not like me, then ill treat me, then treat me bad, Father God, and me don't know what me do. Father God, if me could even know me mother, Father God, just take me now, please, just take me, man. Take me. Popsicle.
Look a girl. Oi. I will give a kiss come.
I see it in the fridge and I take one.
Why? God. Me know say no me get them a dirty sitting here from me now. Half your dirty man. Listen man, I know some my yard run. Anything you see in the fridge, it belong to somebody. You know just come take your hand near me. You matter of fact, give me.
But I'm more than one in the fridge.
You don't care for more than one. I know some my thing run. Walk in the room. Walk in the room. Blasted little girl. Watch me now. Oi! Come on! Come! Stop yourself! Stop yourself! How's man this up on bicycle?
I come from down the road and I see Raina set up and I see my pass and I ask him to.
Look how long I see you go shop. And yard you go.
No, Daddy. Me a walk a come. I'm a beg the man for jack me run a sucker.
Listen man, God gave you 2 foot. You don't need to ask no man for no ride. Look how much input. Look over this. Input up on bicycle. Then all of a sudden, you end up on yard, eh? Look boy, move from the gate man. Big old hard man like you with this little dirty corner to boy.
I beg him man ride. If him jack me, cause you know serious not come.
Come on man, come on.
Daddy.
Me know why you chat to none of them about you, you know. Me murder you, you know. Come on.
The people them all.
Benji! Benji! Come here, give me a minute. Alright, me want you follow the little girl go river for me, please. Cause me no want she one go. Cause me just send her go shop 1 little minute. And by the time I send her go shop, a man she back her up on bicycle.
Jesus Christ, little girl, you're so little and fiery little girl. Eh?
Me I tell you, come down please, and carry her go for me.
Little girl, you mean to tell me say you want to come like your mother who used to be just like Lady Musgrave?
Don't talk about my mother.
Eh? Your mother used to... Everybody you get a piece of your mother and you come like that you want to do. Eh? You don't know what your father see in your mother, you know? He's lucky, you're lucky. The future's a good man like your father come breed and get something like... Listen, I'm a friend, you know, and I don't want to embarrass my friend.
Alright, Benji, don't beat her so bad, because I know her mother did bad, you know. I have enough man, but and I know I hope she don't come stay like her mother. I hope you don't come stay like her mother, you know. And make sure you have manners. Benji, I'm at half Benji. Do you have any clothes you want to wash, because she can wash them too, you know?
Me don't wash nothing. I don't wash no man clothes.
Alright, Benji.
I don't want she wash nothing for me because she can't even wash herself good.
Alright, Benji. Alright. You know, you sure you don't have no mat, nothing to wash, Benji?
Probably one mat, but...
Alright, go for 2 mat if you wash, Benji. Alright, go on.
I must see my go wash it because I don't wash nothing.
You see how
Little
she
girl,
right?
me don't want to beat you left, right, and center. Now. Go on, Benji. Little girl, I want you to have manners to Benji, you know. Benji is my best friend. I mean, I want you to come and say with your little ghetto style. You understand? Don't be like your mother.
No, my mother.
And me, your father, and me, I talk to you. Have manners to Benji.
I have no manners to nobody.
I don't want to have to broke you up in a little girl. Have manners to Benji. All right.
Hold them! Hold them!
Little girl, don't bother the foolishness. Hold them.
You want man, learn to wash mat.
All right, go on, Benji. Me there.
Come on. Hey, listen. Your father is just so him stay. Don't watch him. Listen me? Don't watch your father. You can be just like your mother, you know. Your mother is coming. Listen. Take this, you see? Take this.
That money, why you not give me one of them one day?
Unless you're willing to catch it on you and tell a lie.
I want one of them one day. No.
Listen, I don't play with money, you know, and if I'm giving you something, I'm expecting something in return. Right? So, what you gonna do? I don't want your father to know, you know, my fault. Listen.
Him not having no.
You know, say, I didn't know, say, I go stay like your mother. Just looking in your eye.
You don't give me money on top of nice?
Alright, hold on.
Me no want the one day.
So, me I go get something now?
Yeah.
Alright. When you give me, I give this now, just to buy one water. But when you give me give you more. Yeah? Come on. Don't make your father know me, you know. Yeah? Keep this between me and you. And you hear me? Don't make your father know me. You know, I should be bathing you in this water here. Eh? You're tired, you want to go around? What is what you do if you're tired?
Look how far we have to walk from. Never can happen, you know.
Me like how you look. All the tattoo on you. You don't have any more I can see. Oh God. Bend down more. Ooh. Yes, man.
What here?
Oi! What time of morning now you don't have that sleep? I'm weird. I don't make underpants that.
But daddy, I want panty me have.
But that have to do with me. You wash it, hang you out with feet dry and put on the back. Hey, me not raise no boy pick me, you know. So me don't want you wear back me underpants. Me don't want to see you back in it.
I just want underpants.
Me no business, one too many. Get up out of bed, man. And come tidy up the place. Clean up the place, me I go on the road.
Yeah.
Bright. Clean up place now. Oi. Get up. How you see you clean up place and the garbage not empty? Eh? How you see you clean up place and down there in your dirty sweater clothes and sleep on the bed? Come off my bed. You now sleep back in this bed here. Get up off my bed. Get up.
Daddy, you know what something do for
Get
my
up off my bed. Get up. And take up my phone there off my bed too.
You just have me at work.
Don't back answer me. Don't back answer me and chat to me. You sleep on the floor and I sleep back here. Lean up beside that corner or something. And I sleep up on the move.
I wipe out the bathroom, wipe out in the living room, wipe out everywhere where you tell me to clean.
And don't back answer me. Go empty garbage. And don't sleep up on the bed. You better sleep on the floor. You see me? Me lean up the bed one side. Don't sleep up on the bed. And don't make me have to chat to you again, you know. Go empty rubbish, man. Take rubbish and empty.
Where are you going?
No go dash your rubbish.
Then why you look like that?
Oh.
I like those two something just pitching out on me.
What that you call me for?
Mighty God, it's because you see me why you look like that? Where that is?
Miserable man up.
Alright, I they come, you see?
Better than you?
I come in, man. This is why you're not going to school.
You know, say from I come down here and I don't know my father, he no business about me, you know.
My God, mighty God. Listen, I don't like these things here, you know. I want to get you some nicer
You
clothes.
can imagine a one panty alone I have. And I put on the underpants and this man, you know, want to hear him. You know, hear him up there.
Don't worry yourself. I have some Victoria's Secret up there. I know them can fit you. They can just, when I'm not here, they can come over. You see, I won't touch you, you know. I won't do anything you won't like. Huh?
So your money where you promised me that day?
See, I'm like you promised me if you come catch it and tell her like you never come. So I don't know where you are.
You never call me.
Don't you call it?
And me alone if you take this.
Remember, me and your daddy is good friend, you know. So I have to know what I'm doing. So when he's not there, you can just come over my yard. Alright?
Alright.
Just, you look like your mother every day. Every day you look more like your mother.
Pay you $100 now?
I don't have my wallet on me, but go through it that time when you come, you can come over my house, you see?
Alright.
Come on, this is why you need a strong man like. A strong man like.
No more now.
And it's because you see me why these things are like this. Eh?
No.
Oh God. Alright, so are they come? Are they go on the road or so come, you see?
Not the $100.
I go and carry something for you.
Alright. Can one juice?
One juice? Alright.
One supper drink.
Supper joint?
Yeah.
You know what to insure?
Anyone.
Oi, when you come in that room, please knock. What is me naked? Eh? What you want?
You know, sir, you said me for go dash your rubbish and me I think about. Want go back to school, you know?
Listen, man, you're bright. Take school off your mind. Take school off. You see uniform them what you have? Start wear them in the yard. At least we have some additional clothes to wear. Take school off your mind.
So me not have to go to school to get bright.
You see, you're still like your mother, you know. You're full of too much argument. And that type problem with you full of too much argument.
So you know want me come out to something good in a life?
Listen, man. Listen. And I like to me, I look all age pension, you know. If you come out and do nothing in life, me I go want nothing from you. So just take school off your mind. Go and go bed and change your clothes and come out and underpants. I'm tired to see night, you know.
Me no have no panty wet up.
Well, put on what you have. I'll wait till it dry. But go on, come out of my side. I can't stand you. Come out of my side. Come out of my side. Hold on, no man, no man. No man. Your parent, yeah. Your parent, yeah. You slam me door. Hey, girl. Me no want have to ring off your neck, you know. Me no want have to ring off your neck, you know. Me no want to ring off your neck. Don't slam me door. You know I'm parent, yeah. Me put your gun to sleep. Me soon put you out.
Oh, you cheat me so bad. Run me fire.
Girl, say if you're not tight, you don't want it. You have to tight. Lady, me have your size.
When? Me do at the gate. Yes, right at the location I sent me. Alright.
Come, baby, come.
It's a nice place.
Alright. Come on, come.
Okay.
Alright, come in, babes. Yeah, man, not to watch it for that on furniture there. So just move some. I do it. Come and forget it. Fix something, you know.
That's okay.
Yeah, man, not to watch it. I'll fix the place, just need to fix up and put in some furniture. Yeah, man, so my daughter. I don't know my daughter there. Jade, come here.
Nice to meet you, young lady.
Yeah, man, Jade.
She's beautiful though.
Amanda. Yeah, man, my stepmother, you know.
Alright.
Alright. Go on, walk in here.
She's lovely.
Yeah, man. And this is from the room. Yeah, man, so. Make yourself at home. Alright. Hey, man, so how was the journey?
Never too bad.
Not too bad. Alright, so you say that's been a week.
You say weekend.
No, alright. Me not over the weekend.
Yeah, me have work to go back Monday, but me spend the weekend.
Alright. Yeah, man, I used to go about TV, man. I see TV along them, I go buy one little TV set to put you up.
That year, everything takes time.
What you want?
I don't know, say my period come down for me.
So, hold on, where you tell me that for? Go find 2 pieces of old cloth around this and tie up and use.
I want money for go buy a pad.
Listen, man, listen, now come to me with them that sort of sitting there. Go on, go find something tie up or use piece of sponge or sitting around there, so. Now come to me with them that sitting there. I'm on you want, I breathe you want to breathe, but your period come. Move right in front of me now, man. Move right in front of me.
Really? What was that about?
What do you mean? What do you mean by that?
You know exactly what me talk about, me just come. Even if you make it look good, you need to feel behave, so. I'm there right here, so.
Listen, man, listen. You don't want nothing about that little girl there, you know. I don't want easy little girl to me have the deal with, you know. So, nobody feel like you're somebody nice that. You see him come to me, daddy. I don't want a nice girl that.
I don't have to know, I really
Listen,
don't
man,
have
she
to know.
still like her mother.
How old is your daughter?
She has 15, but she still like her mother.
Me and your good while now, and I never hear you mention she have one daughter. Why is that?
Because she never lived with me, she did live. The reason why I never mention her, because she did live with my sister, so I never have no reason to talk about her.
That don't have nothing at all to do with it. Your daughter come and say she want one sanitary napkin, she depend on marriage trial. And you can't give her that. Give her money, make she go. Next thing she go out the road, people go take advantage of her when she not getting things. Then the days they over, you go tell her people must use sponge, cloth and then something. Then the days over.
Listen, man, that a mash up in society. Everybody around feel you use modern things. You know when my sister grew up, one where she did have to use banana leaf, all that sitting tie up. And look, she turned out alright. So she will turn out alright too. Listen, man, I'll go up on the road to get something for your drink and eat. So, or maybe just something for your drink. So don't worry yourself about that. Everything will alright. When me and you have one picnic together, everything will be good.
If you are not cheating your child, right, the thing say me really if you have one picnic.
Because our mother, you know when we go through with film dirty mama.
If your mother didn't want dirty mother like where you say when, you wouldn't get her pregnant and you wouldn't go there raw. So don't try to bring down the female.
Listen, man, me never go there raw. And by mistake, your mother get pregnant. I want one time, I use condom one time.
But your picnic is a mistake. Your picnic can never be a mistake.
I swear to God, she alone a mistake and enough Jamaican picnic a mistake. So she not gonna be first and relax.
Right now, I just feel like I feel leave you.
No, man, relax, man, relax, man, about the foolishness.
Me not like this way one. Me serious when you come to picnic.
My niece, me never see no, me never behavior. Me go around and nobody angle.
Calm down, look at the fan. Me soon come back. Calm down. Just go and breeze out in the fan. Me soon come back.
Come.
You okay?
Yeah.
So why you sitting on the sofa bed?
You know, say my father lean up the bed and say no want me on the bed, so I sleep on floor.
What you say?
He say me sleep on floor.
No man. You're crazy. Not unless me day in here this weekend. Get up. You're crazy.
As I gone, him a go lean it up back.
I will deal with the father. Here? I will deal with the father anyways. Where is 500? I won't buy a sanitary napkin.
Thanks.
You have something I can clean up yourself and wear?
Yeah.
So just
Me have no panty or one panty alone me have.
you dry?
Me have to go check you wire.
Alright, I'll let you make sure you say you just wash it before you leave or you back over the road and come back before it nasty up your hair.
Alright.
Alright then.
Thanks.
Let me come back and buy some underwear.
Alright.
Bills.
Yeah?
Well, girl, who's put up the bed? I'll put back your mattress on the bed on there.
Me?
Hold on. What you mean, sir, you put the mattress on the bed? Me know, I'm not half. Hold it, sir.
You could buy 3 Pepsi, one to little girl.
What me I buy cheap Pepsi for?
Are you daughter?
Me set my rule for you just come here. Me set my rule for my bed lean up. And you put her on the back. But I'm matter of fact, where little girl there?
Me send her on the road for go buy sanitary napkin.
Jesus have mercy. If I don't want to get another, you put back my mattress on my bed. Then when me tell the little girl to go use whatever for use, you send him go and buy sanitary. That means you don't respect my rules in my place.
When the bed is actually around here, you tell her to sleep on the floor. What kind of worthless party you be? Can't work so. Are you own flesh and blood and give her man Pepsi when she come?
I simple think you don't understand what you say, you know. You just come and you jump to all type of conclusion and you don't know what going on.
What conclusion? What is the conclusion?
This not work. This not
No
work.
problem.
This
No
not
problem.
work.
Miss,
Yes, sweetheart.
let me get you something.
You see all you?
Alright.
You have to come out of my place. You have to come out of my place. Because you don't respect me now. You know, she have to come out. She have to come out.
She come out, I will leave also. And right now, if you have the papers and so I will take this little girl. I see so much potential in this
Take
child.
her, carry her, go along. Me we organize, make you get the paper. Take her. You know, it want to go along. Go along.
I cannot believe you. When you meet me on the road, it was so nice, so romantic. I never expect this side from you. But I'm glad they said knowing a man and living with him is the next thing.
Yeah, man,
It's
go on.
okay.
Go on, go on.
You
Go
want to
on.
come with me, sweetheart?
Go on. I'm going to take the Pepsi. Let's
No
go.
problem. Keep your Pepsi.
Let's
Keep
go.
your Pepsi.
It's a matter of fact, your best friend over there, so touch me up and feel me up and there we go river.
You see same sort of shit when I talk about? You see same thing when I tell about? This is what that little girl do. Walk around and tell life and
Oh, you know, see a lie she a tell. Even if she bad, right? You must follow her and look and listen what she say. Still up in your end idea. You can't trust your friend of your own child.
I see him thing when she done I'm my sister yard. She tell life for my sister man and now she a my best friend is a decent man. He not them a sitting here.
Just like you're a decent man and being so arrogant.
If you meet him, I look for me and I offer me money. And I talk about me if you come over there when you're gone.
You know what? It wanna come on. Come out to my place.
You go feel it.
Come out to my place.
You go feel
You
it.
turn like a young man.
You're going to feel it.
No matter me try
You're
get
going
some
to
more.
feel it.
One,
Come
come
little
on.
girl.
Come on.
Wow.
So me do that.
No, that's not necessary.
Wait. Jane, are you that?
Yes,
Hold on there. Are you still in?
yeah, my house and my car.
Lord God, me happy for you, girl. Whoa, you know, so me, you know, say I will come out to something in my life.
Really no.
No, man, me can't believe. How you look nice to me like how you dress.
Thank
So
you.
you have to dress.
Don't want to cheat me.
No, man, nobody go back there, so I have to go tell your father. Me can't believe this.
Nobody tell him where I'm living.
Why? No, man, me tell him, man, I still your father regardless, no matter what. Hey, from day one, you know, I didn't know say I go turn out to be a successful little young lady, you know. I swear, now look by your car, look by your house. Hey! Me have to go tell my brother this.
Yeah, me at work now, you know, say I'm a supervisor at a business company, you know.
That's nice, girl. I'm happy for you. So anyway, I up the road me a run go so. Me a go call your father now. Me not even wait till me reach over here. Because me go call him now and make him know say. Me have to go make him know this a good news. So take care of yourself. So like when me know where you there now, me know say me can come back.
Alright.
Alright. Win! Win!
Oi!
Come here, then, me have something to tell you.
Alright, me a come. Oh God, you sound so excited. What happened?
Yes, man, you're excited.
Come to you now.
You won't A while ago, I walked around the street, around the front street round there. So. Guess who me see?
Who?
No Jade, your daughter.
Allah ya tell.
And guess the position where she in? Mama drive car and you want to see the beautiful house.
Allah.
Fear car and a fear house, you know.
Allah ya tell.
Yes.
Allah.
I say she a supervisor. Me can't believe she looks so nice. This girl make me proud.
Me I tell her, man, me feel good to hear that for you, man. Me feel good, man. Me don't love to see her, man. Me don't love to see
Then
her.
I tell her, I say, me go carry her come do her. She say, no carry daddy come, but
Me grow them. Me pull up that
you
gate.
know, come on. Say me feel good for her. Me say me know say this little girl that make in her life, you know. Yeah, man, brother. Alright, that's what Mrs. She come from me now. Mrs. She going to the car and a fear car.
Call her, man.
Jed! Can me tell her, I say me I go come back, you know. Jed! Come man, your auntie. Surprise for you.
Why, oh boy.
Come on.
What, my daughter?
Me alright, you know.
Me happy to see you, man. Sure, tell me, say, I feel care this and you're nice. Go, boy, me glad to see you, my daughter, man. Me happy to see you. Me happy.
Yeah,
me glad. Boy, me didn't know such they turn out good, you know. Me know, man. Me proud of you, man. One idea you have to give me a drive off your car,
You can't drive. Me ever see you around steering it? Can't you drive?
Me daughter about me daughter, man. Me can drive, yes.
Of course,
I no daughter me. Remember you tell me say a mistake make me there.
Come on,
You
Jed.
know me you know me father. You make me sleep on a cool floor. Anything me eat and touch in the house is a problem. You beat me go, you beat me come.
Come
You know,
on, Jed. The past
matter
is
of
the
fact,
past. Jed,
the
the past
worst.
is the past, Jed.
The most important part, the man take me France go school.
My daughter, listen, man. That was in the past,
Yes.
and sometimes you have to let bygones be bygones. Me did fool them the time there, and now.
He's
a
smart
different-
now. A different father this now. Me I tell you.
Different father?
Different auntie this man. Yes.
Time him cuss me gun, cuss me come and tell me say me work it's like my mother, me stay like my mother. Me not
stressed, man. You have to see with it.
about me, one day me say to him say, why not say me back at school? But if me bright, me not bright.
Well,
Me not bright.
We have to
I'm a
feel.
supervisor.
Boy, my daughter, listen. That was in the past. Make bygones be bygones. Me happy to see you now, and me know say, me glad to know say you make it through life. You know much good things your auntie a tell me about you.
True,
Me
yes.
happy for you, man.
He's such a nice girl.
You give me no grandkids yet?
Look here, come out of my business. Let me tell you something. I said if I never feel my stepmother, if I never feel her, me no know how me that make it in a life. And she make me accomplish them here. You know why? Two of you better come out of me here before me have to call police. Unu set a cross with family, father and
I really your father you talk to
sister.
some-
Come on, sister. Come on. All right. That's nothing. Come on, sister. Come on.
So vanity do no.
Come
Okay.
on. Yeah, man. Try vanity.
Vanity.
Come on.
The stone that the builder refuse, come turn the head corner stone.
Alright, so as always, thank you guys for watching. If you're watching me, it simply means that you're watching the movie to the end. Alright, so a little quick update. We are in a new location. If from you guys watch the video, you would have seen that the location changed. And we've been talking on some of the lives and at the end of the video that we were moving. So we actually moved from Nickel now and we're in Petersfield to be more specific. It's 10 minutes outside of Savlamar. It's a nice community. It's where I'm actually from. So I know a whole heap of the people them, I know a whole heap of the location them. So you guys will be seeing a whole heap of new content with a brand new location. And you might know and then see new actors and new actresses, but we still have a lot of other core persons who we've been using, like Browning, 1010, Jade, who is kind of new. You might see Candy pass through because I don't know, she love her we are the same way, but she's a nigger, so you might see her in a 1 and 2 of the film just the same. Thank you for all the persons who have helped as it pertains to contribution, because we couldn't do this on our own. In order if we can buy fridge, stove, pay the rent, the bed, all of the things that we had to have some form of, in order for us to be able to get the whole thing started in a new location and everything, we had to have some help from some special people who saw what we're doing, love what we're doing, and contribute. So thank you to those persons. The house not really finished 100% because we still need a couch, which we paid down some money on the couch already. We need a table, and we need some other things to kind of make the place kind of have a up look in terms of, we need some plaques on the wall, we need some flowers, we need things just to make it look homey, because that's the whole aim. And that with that, then we can give you a whole heap of different content in this location. So thank you guys for showing you all your support, and if persons want to contribute to this that we're doing, please feel free, feel humbled. If you link up on Instagram, Richard Brown Films, and just say you want to help you know, send a piece of money through whatever means, whether it be Zelle, whether it be PayPal, or whether it be Western Union or MoneyGram. Just let me know, because we want all the help that we can get, and to continue to do what we do, we are going to need help, because at the end of the day we're getting a revenue through YouTube, but really to maximize to our fullest potential and to provide food for everybody and accommodation, we're going to need all the help, because you don't know rent place and all, you know, so we have to make sure so we can keep up to that standard there. Big up to everybody that has been showing all the support to what we are doing. Paradise Nation, Richard Brown Films, big up on yourself. Keep on watching. Ready? Alright, so come back from right there, Jade. Yeah, come back from right there, so. So when you reach right there, so you tap and blow down.
Right there, so.
And blow down.
What?
You miss me not like that dog there, no man. Ever bark dog. And all the one there, what is it? Ready?
Ready.
Ready now, Jade?
Where you run go? Where you run go?
Me a run me.
Run if you want. What's your problem?
Me a run me.
Where you can run, but you know what it is to be on your own? Huh? You feel it easy if you don't play your own little girl. Listen, man.
Me can't do it no more.
Can't do what?
Type of living here.
Boy, you have take much bag around me. Give me back. But what
Me tell you, say your man a trouble me. And never
man a trouble who?
your boyfriend a trouble me.
Stop telling lies, man.
Wait. Talk to him. Talk.
No man, she blow down that nobody know.
Yeah, but
Me hear what you say a while ago, you know.
Look where you
Yeah, so
good.
yeah, so here, so when you say your boyfriend trouble you, what you mean, say my boyfriend trouble you? You know what I'm saying? Then you can explain. Yes, when me lie down in that room.
When in the home.
Yes, when you're not there home. When you're not there home. You know me I say explain to him. Don't say the
No, raping.
yeah, right. But say everything else.
Your man a trouble me.
Man, I trouble you. Nothing like that. Look on the clothes that I have on. Then the man must look for you if I so big case. I know say that the man not look for you. So tell
When
me
you
what I
gone at work, when you gone at work, he walk up and down naked. And I trouble me and I touch me every minute.
What a little girl like, you know what? Never pop for you around. Never pop.
You feel like you're my mother, you come and live. Look out for me.
What you say when I'm in the east and me and mother? You know what? You don't care about ugly and dirty. You don't care about ugly and
So what that again? Cause the bike man is disgusting, brother.
you have post be a shot.
Like you man see we there and the start of the bike like in disgusting. Wait till the bike pass. No like up some people disgusting, brother. The man see we a shoot and wait till he reach us and then he start pop up with the bike.
You don't understand.
Government need to do something about the bike them man. Alright, because the bike did not come. Make you go back to the part, Jade, when you say.
Think your mother.
Leg off from me, you think I'm my mother or my father. Yeah, but that was good though. That was good.
Alright, after me go around now.
You know one of the last place.
Leg off from me.
Hold him back, man, hold him back.
Leg off from me.
Look at you.
You feel like you're my mother, you come and lick me. Leg off from me. You're not my mother, leg off from me.
Oh, you know your
You're
mother.
my father, leg off
You know
from me.
what? Yeah, come here, go back and give your papa.
Every day I get up and I beat
Because
me.
all me see that you are ungratefulness, little girl. Stop it! You want me? Hey, if I don't want this, me not even see push back by you for take leak. You go behind me back, you red out your head. You pull up yourself. Look for the tight so you're in and show up your body. What you feel, say? You want on woman before time. You feel say woman wood is nice. You feel say if you go out there for your own is nice.
Leg off me,
You
man,
want
go
clean
on,
it.
me busy.
Hey,
Leg off me now.
Come on. Okay, come on.
We are laughing. We are laughing.
I want to sweet him. I want to sweet him. Alright guys, so this is a behind the scenes of a new upcoming Richard Brown film movie. Yeah.
Unless you're willing to catch it on you and tell a lie. Listen, I don't pay with money, and if I give you something, I'm expecting something in return. Right? So, what you gonna do? I don't want your father to know, you know, my fault. Listen, you know, see, I didn't know, see, I was still like your man, just still looking in your eye.
You don't give me money, that'd be nice.
Well, I'm,
Me no want the one day.
so, me, I'll get something now.
Yeah.
Alright. When you give me, I give this now, just to buy more water. But when you give me,